What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have a bearing race and seal installer from 1AAuto.com. Comes with a nice handle. You unscrew the bolt. Take the piece that fits the seal or the race that you're installing. Put the bolt back in. And you can line it up. Tap with a hammer. Has all these different sizes. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.